Hello viewers, please encourage our talent and like, comment, share and subscribe the channel. You can also be a part of our art gallery. So send your artwork, art videos and any other talent videos in our mail ID and contact us in our WhatsApp number. We provide online coaching also. Thank you. Hello everyone, I am Vishwajit and representing Doremi. Today I am going to introduce an interesting video. You need to watch the full video, and if you like the video, don't forget to subscribe the video, share, like and comment. Don't forget, this is your platform too. You know, Doremi is a platform nourishes the star to shine. So join our platform and keep shining bright. So enjoy our video. So here is our part 3 video of Rath Yatra Special drawing. Go and watch our part 1 and part 2 video also. So let's finish the drawing today. And don't skip, watch full video. So let's start with the tree coloring. So this is a lemon yellow color. This is the lightest yellow among all of your color. So as light is coming at the left side of the tree leaves, so this left side is yellow color. Now take a medium yellow, that is little darker than lemon yellow, means light yellow. Now this is your light green color, light green. So mix the color with the yellow gently. You can see the more it is getting at the right side and at the back of the leaves it is getting darker because the light is coming less over there. So now I have taken a blue color, a Prussian blue color. Use very gently so that it doesn't get suddenly dark and makes up leafy effects on your tree leaves, you can see. So the more it is getting down or at the right side, the color looks darker. You can see some more patches that shows the bushy effects, the leafy effects of your tree leaves. So clean your color, and this way we have completed your tree coloring. And light, you can see, is coming from the middle and it is reflecting on the trees left sides. So from middle the light is coming from left and right. You can see the tree light is coming from in the middle of our painting. Now take your blue color only and give us shades. With your blue color you give the shades with in the tree trunk exactly at the right side. But as I told, the left side we have chosen for the light is coming. So you can see, if after giving blue color, take brown color again to overlap the color so that it mixes very nicely, blue and your light brown color. Clean your painting. Now we'll color the land. This is the road, you can see road with some grass areas. So take green color, light green color. So color mix with your little bit color you can do in your mud house also. There is a mud house. In the house also you can give some little touch of the green color so that it looks, the color is reflecting on your mud house. Now this is the viridian green color. This is a deep green color. So first light yellow, then deep yellow, then again take your light yellow and mix the color. I am mixing the dark yellow, dark green and light green. Dark green and light green. It's mixed very nicely. Now take a blue color. Under the tree there must be some shades. So I am giving this dark Prussian blue color on the green color. You can take little bit touch of yellow color so that it looks very bright. But don't color the flag of our Rath. So I have colored it red so that it visible nicely. Now I'm coloring the other patches of the grasses on the road. So here will be, it is a dark green color. I am starting as my base color as a dark green, means viridian green color, because this grass patches are closer. So closer ones will be definitely darker than far one. So these are the closer one. So these grass patches is dark green, means viridian green color. But that is I'm coloring light green color as it is far, it is not close. The base color will be light green. Okay, now obviously we can use our dark green color over far, but that is as a shades. Under the tree there are some shades, as there is a house, so there is some shades with dark green color. It is working dark green color as a shades. So now little bit of Prussian blue also. Now use your sketcher to scratch on the leaf and also on the grass area, so that it looks that some leaves are fallen on the grass patches. Now and then there is also I've used little bit of dark green color. After using dark green color on that, we are using again the light green color, so that color mix nicely. Here also we are touching our light green, so that little bit light effect comes, and there is again the Prussian blue, mine is dark green. You can see, you can easily recognize, you can easily understand that the far one is lighter, the closer one is looking very darker. So this is the color perspective. So gradually I'm getting closer to our drawing. So now we are going to color our road. So take the pink color. We all know our road color is not at all pink, but here we will create some color, we will create some shades. For this design I am using this pink color. You need to clean your color constantly, continuously, and you apply the color very gently. No white space should be left. Okay, so far you can see the road is going the behind of the house. The road is coming from the behind of that right side house, and leave your Rath. The color should not be go inside of the Rath. The pink, when you are coloring, you are getting closest to the grass patches. Overlap the color on this, touch the color with the green color, let the green color comes on the road. So now take your next color. This is yellow color. This is a medium yellow, not light, not dark. This is the medium yellow. You can see this is the chrome yellow. So whatever medium yellow you have, you can use. So now mix yellow. You have to apply the yellow color on the pink color, so that pink is look little oranges. Okay, yellow color you have to mix with the pink color. So you have to mix very nicely. You have to apply the color very deeply, so that pink and yellow mix nicely. You can see how I'm coloring all the sides. Now all the sides of parallel I'm coloring. So you have to leave the color like this way. Okay, mix the color. I have taken again the color so that it mix nicely. Mixing is very much important. So you can see how I'm mixing the color. So this what color I have taken? I have taken this yellow ochre color. This deep yellow. So this yellow also I have used on the light yellow color and the medium yellow color. Always when you're taking the next color, always apply on the color that you have used before, so that it mix nicely. So after taking the yellow ochre color, I just used it on the yellow color, means medium yellow color, so that the medium yellow or dark yellow mix nicely. So here you can see pink or lemon yellow, chrome yellow is mixed very nicely. After that I have taken yellow ochre, that is also mixed very nicely. You cannot understand where exactly it is mixing, but it is gradually mixing, and the more it is getting closer, the color is getting darker. You can see the far one is looking lighter, but more closer I am using the dark yellow color, that is yellow ochre, so that it looks that the closer one is darker than the far one. The more you will be close to your drawing, always your color will be gradually dark. So here I am avoid the man's leg, and there is a wheel of the Rath that you have to leave. Clean your color. If it is touched with the green, doesn't matter, nothing will be happen. Touch with the green intentionally, so that green color also comes as a shades on your road. So this is the basic tone we have used from light to dark, pink, then chrome yellow, then yellow ochre. Now take the orange color. Orange color will be at the close around this Rath and around the man's legs. The color is getting darker. The color is getting volume. Okay, as it is close. I'm touching little bit far, but very lightly, but in the close the color will be very darker. In the close where applying the orange color should be darker, but if I using, that is very lighter. Now take, this is a sap green color. Okay, this is our sap green color, and this sap green color we are using as a shades at the closest part of our drawing around the human's leg, so that human is standing, so some shadow will come. So these shadows are doing with the sap green color, so little bit greenish effect should be come on the road. But when I'm coloring with far, so I'm doing it lighter, but the more I'm closer, the color is getting darker. So you need to mix this color also very nicely. If it is not mixed nicely, take your orange color and overlap the color on the sap green color, so that color mix very gently, very nicely. Okay, here all the color is mixed together and it is really looking very realistic road. Now take yellow color, this medium yellow, just I'm touching here and there, so that all the roads is looking very nice and realistic. Little bit touch, so that all the shades mixed with each other, even close, even far we are using this yellow color little bit. Okay, now we are going to color the Rath, but before coloring the Rath we have to color this green grasses. So take your deep blue color, Prussian blue color. This grasses is very close, so that will be very dark color, and with the same color I'm giving little bit touch on the road, because road is not at all clean. There is some leaves, there is some stones, so little bit touch. And also the man is standing, so I have given a shadow, and shadow we are using for our Rath. Also you can see exactly the shadow will be in one line, because there is a wheel. This wheel color you can do with the pencil also. Okay, after giving shadow I'm giving orange color on the shadow, so shadow looks very smooth. With the pencil or violet color you can take for this wheel. Even Prussian blue also you can use for for wheel you need dark color. Okay, so after using that dark color, use the orange color on there, so the color looks very soft. Now take the red color, as red is very vibrant color, so it is easily visible, and our Rath will be looking very new and clean and clear. So we have colored the Rath, and you can easily understand the shadow of the Rath. The shadow of the Rath is just by the wheel of the Rath. Now this is the roof line of our Rath. Now take another color. This is the light blue color. Need to clean your color. Our Rath looks very new, very clean, very catchy. So clean the color and fill with color very gently. You have to maintain the round door also. So be very gentle. Don't be hurry. So I have colored this. Rath is our main subject here, so Rath should be look very nice. For coloring the Rath you need to choose all the bright colors. Same colors we are doing, we are applying for our top roof of our Rath, the top roof. Now take a little bit green color was left at the back, so I have given the green patches for this color. Now take again our Rath coloring, so take a pink color. Pink color looks very bright. We are trying to avoid the color we have used for background, but here I am using pink color. Pink color we used in our road, but that is not at all look pink color, because pink mixed with the yellow it getting really different. Now take a orange color. Orange also we have used for our road also, but even orange also you cannot understand the real exact orange color, but here we are using color very direct pink color, direct orange color. So color is looking very new, very bright, but we are not using yellow color because our road is looking very yellowish type of. So here I'm just avoiding yellow color, and this is the pink color. On the pink color you can see I used red color at the left side as a shades. Now this is the medium blue. So on the sky blue we are using this dark blue, it's darker than this. Okay, not Prussian blue, but a medium blue like ultramarine and indigo, and mixed with the sky blue. So take your sky blue again to mix with the color. So you can see now orange part also. So orange part is very small part, and the red, for red zone also you can see, for there I'm using brown color. At the right side will be the at the left side you are coloring, right side is a light. So the left side you are just giving the shades of the left sides. So this way we are coloring our Rath. Okay, now you have to very conscious to all the doors should be left for the Rath. You can see we have left that. Now take, this is the violet color, just give a line as a border, and take your pink color, a deep pink color, just give some line, don't have to fill. Now this is a big necklace made out of flowers. I mean, this is mala, it is called garland also. So little touch with the red and yellow so that your Rath looks very filled with flowers and all these things. So this way we have done. Now you take your pencil for bordering. When you give the border, be very gentle so that your Rath looks very nice. Your Rath drawing will be very clean and clear. Our background color is fully completed, and now we have started our bordering with the 10B pencil. This border is very important to look your drawing clean and clear. For this mala we are using some beads so that it looks made out of flowers. So wherever you feel you need to clean the drawing, use your border to clean and clear the drawing. You can see your Rath is looking more clean and clear. Now you see we are drawing a rope. The man is holding a rope, and this rope is fixed with our Rath. Means the man is pulling the Rath, man is carrying the Rath. So that rope will be very dark, so you can do with your pencil, it will be easier. Don't use color for the rope. Now some grass patches use wherever you feel like, little bit of touch of bordering. For the mud house also, you can see the closer mud house I am using some cracks on the mud that usually comes, that you can do with the pencil. You don't have to do the color because it is very difficult. But the far one, there is a house at the left side, there I didn't use any cracking, because this is a far. For far we should not do too much of detailing. So here also I'm just adding some, again, that for there is a window, so use the violet color. So our coloring is completed. Now only is left our human figure coloring. So for human figure coloring we have made a video. You need to go and watch that video. We have already completed the human figure coloring. You need to go and watch part 1 video, part 2 video, part 3 video of Jamai Shashti special drawing. Yes, this peach color, orange color or brown color used for the human figure, human skin coloring. So look, you can see I have chosen the right side for light and the left side for shadow. And here you can see the blue color is reflecting on the dhoti. So I touched with the blue color. Now, but here in our drawing I didn't touch any blue color. Nothing is reflected on the dhoti, only grey and white you can see. Right side of the human figure will be light color as light is coming, and the left side will be the dark color as the shades. So go and watch part 1, part 2, part 3 video of Jamai Shashti special drawing for human figure coloring. The link is shown on the top. Go and that link and watch the video. If you like the video, please subscribe the channel, hit the notification bell, like, comment and share and subscribe. Thank you for watching.